Are you masturbating the wrong way? Let's talk about 5 healthy habits you should know when it comes to self-pleasure. Yes, it's a normal part of wellness. Avoid excessive pressure. Using too much pressure or force can train your body to only respond to that specific sensation. It might make it harder to feel satisfied with a partner. Switch things up, use gentler touch, and add lubricant for a more natural experience. Don't rely on the same routine. If you always use the same type of fantasy or visual content, your brain may expect that every time. This can impact real-life connection. Try different ways to build arousal, even something simple like reading or talking with a partner. Use the right lubricant. Lube reduces friction and improves comfort. Water-based is easy to clean, silicone lasts longer, and oils like coconut are natural options. Just avoid products not meant for sensitive areas. Don't rush every time. Quick sessions might be practical, but always rushing can lead to performance issues later. Taking your time helps you learn about your body and supports better control and satisfaction. Let go of guilt. Self-pleasure is healthy, normal, and nothing to be ashamed of. It helps you understand your body and improve your relationship with your own sexuality. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.